Today we're going to talk about the Max 122 indicator for use with your Max flow meter. We'll go over the wiring of the unit, which can be found in the instruction manual at maxmachinery.com. We'll go over programming the unit, and we'll also apply some power to the unit and show you how it functions. First, let's see what's in the box. Here's your Max indicator. On the back, we have the included terminal strips. Package also includes a USB connector to allow you to interface to the 122 indicator in your PC and program the unit as necessary. Now I will go over wiring per the user manual, the model 122 indicator, which I have installed in a simple little mounting bracket here just to make it easy for demonstration purposes. I've removed the power terminal strip and the signal and output terminal strip. You will need a jumper wire for this installation, a slotted screwdriver. You'll need your flow meter's power and signal cable. Here we have the M12 connector on one end and the leads that we'll use to connect to the 120 indicator on the other. You'll need a 110 power cable. Here we have one already set up, and I will go through the connection. Now, I will first connect my power source cabling to the appropriate terminal strip here. 2 wires, relatively simple. Make sure your connections are snugged down so your wiring does not come out of the connector. Take that connector, which is our power source, and I fix it to the back of the indicator, and I'll set that aside. I'm now going to connect the primary terminal strip to your flow meter wiring. I'm going to take the first lead, which is our brown wire. That's going to go into your P+ or pin 1. It's tight in there. We're going to take our black wire, which is our common, and one end of your jumper, red wire here. That is going to go into P- or pin 2. All the way seated in there. Tighten down. The other end of your jumper is going to go into common, marked on the connector, pin 4. Our white wire, which is our signal output from the flow meter to the indicator, is going to go into S+, pin 5. Tighten that down. Now that I have it all connected, I'll go over the wiring one more time. I have our brown wire connected to our P+. I have our common, which is our black wire, and one end of our jumper into our P- here. I have the other end of our jumper over into the common port, which is pin 4. And I have our signal output wire going into S+. And for this installation, we do not need to use the blue or gray wires. I'm going to go ahead and connect this to our indicator now. And we're all ready to power up and use the Max 122 indicator. Now that we've wired the Model 122 indicator per the user manual instructions, and we've applied it to a power source and connected it to the flow meter we intend to use, we can turn on our pump, bring fluid through the flow meter, and see a rate indication and the engineering units that we programmed.